I'm Stephanie Hansen, and this is Stephanie's Dish, my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious one bowl brownie situation. I'm gonna start with 2 sticks of melted butter, and you want them to get kind of cool. On my site, I have a toffee pretzel brownie, a gluten-free brownie. All right, so I've got the butter and the granulated sugar mixed in. From there, I'm gonna add the eggs. And I'm just gonna use this same whisk. Got a little sugar butter mixture in there. And just whisk these eggs and then get those mixed in. She's all mixed in. I'm gonna add my vanilla. And then I've also got my dry mixtures, and I'm gonna just use those over here. I've got a cup of flour. I've got a cup of cocoa powder, and use good cocoa powder. I actually sifted this. We've got a teaspoon of kosher salt, and I have a teaspoon of espresso powder. Coffee and chocolate always goes great. Get everything mixed in here. And then I'm gonna add it to my wet ingredients. All right. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this all mixed together. Something about brownies just like screams love. I don't know if it's the chocolate or if it's just the ease of making them. And this is a thick batter. You can see it's real thick. I prepared the pan with parchment. And the reason I use parchment when I'm making brownies is so that I can lift them out when I'm cutting them and get a really nice cut. All right, this is mixed enough. We're gonna go ahead and get this in our oven at 350 degrees. It's gonna cook for 35 minutes, and they're gonna be cakey and fudgy, and super delicious. You can do variations. You can put toppings. You can add chocolate chips. You could add nuts. You could add little bits of candies if you wanted to. We're gonna just go ahead and get these in our pan. Let's get them smoothed out in here a little bit. It's gonna be super delicious. We'll get these in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. Check them with a tester to make sure it comes out clean, and we'll be done with beautiful brownies. Stay tuned for the final product, and you can find this recipe at stephaniesdish.com along with other brownie recipes, my toffee brownie recipe, pretzel brownie, gluten-free brownie, all the blondies, all the brownies at stephaniesdish.com.